Here are 10 basic principles that can contribute to success in any field of work or life. Number 1. Goal setting. Clearly define what you want to achieve. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals. Goals provide direction and focus, helping you channel your efforts effectively. Number 2. Continuous learning. Always be willing to learn and adapt. Stay curious, seek new knowledge, and develop skills relevant to your field. Continuous learning keeps you updated and enhances your ability to innovate and problem solve. Number 3. Resilience and perseverance. Success often involves facing setbacks and challenges. Cultivate resilience by staying committed to your goals despite difficulties. Learn from failures, adapt to changes, and maintain a positive mindset. Number 4. Networking and relationships. Build and nurture a strong network of relationships. Collaborate with others, seek mentors, and support colleagues. Networking not only opens doors to opportunities, but also provides valuable insights. Number 5. Time management and discipline. Manage your time effectively by prioritizing tasks and avoiding procrastination. Develop discipline in sticking to schedules and deadlines. Efficient time management allows you to maximize productivity and maintain work-life balance. Number 6. Adaptability. Embrace change and remain flexible in response to evolving circumstances. Adaptability allows you to seize new opportunities and navigate uncertainties. Number 7. Work ethic. Demonstrate dedication, diligence, and accountability in your work. Consistently strive for excellence and take ownership of your responsibilities. Number 8. Communication. Effectively convey ideas, listen actively, and collaborate with others. Strong communication skills foster teamwork, mutual understanding, and constructive feedback. Number 9. Self-discipline. Maintain self-control and consistency in pursuing your goals. Develop habits and routines that support your productivity and personal growth. Number 10. Respect for diversity. Value and appreciate different perspectives, backgrounds, and experiences. Foster inclusivity and create a supportive environment for collaboration and innovation. These principles serve as a foundation for achieving success in various aspects of life and work, guiding individuals toward fulfilling their potential and making meaningful contributions to their communities and professions.
Thank you for watching our channels. For authors best video. For any advice and deductions, please subscribe our channel and share for your best friends. Thanks so much. Thank you.